Those were the times of Lord Buddha. One day, a farmer came to Lord Buddha. He said that, I sow the seeds and get the grains by plowing the field. I will sell the grains and I earn money by that. But I am not satisfied by this. I want the seeds of immortality so that by plowing the field, immortal fruits may be obtained. O Lord, please let me know how the fruits of immortality may be obtained. Then Buddha smiled and said to the farmer, You have asked a very good question. But to get the fruits of immortality, you have to sow the seeds of immortality, not in your field, but in your mind. Hearing this, the farmer was surprised and said to Buddha, O Lord, how can anybody get the seeds of immortality by sowing the seeds in the mind, instead of sowing them in the field? Then Lord Buddha answered, Yes, definitely you can sow the seeds in the mind to get the fruits of immortality, and these fruits will be very sweet and wonderful. Then the farmer said, O Lord, please tell me the way to obtain the seeds of immortality. Lord Buddha said, You sow the seeds of faith and devotion in your mind. Give water of knowledge to the seeds and pour the fertilizer of humanity. Then you will get the fruit of immortality, which will be very sweet, and it will give you infinite peace and bliss in your mind. The farmer then got realization. All his doubts were vanished. All his sorrows were ended. He understood the reality. He realized that the fruit of immortality can be obtained only by thinking good thoughts. Friends, by thinking good thoughts, your mind will become positive and you will get all positive results. Do not think negative thoughts. By thinking negatively, the whole atmosphere will become negative and we cannot achieve our goals. Whatever you think, that you will be. If your mind is good, you will get peace of mind and even bliss can be obtained in your mind. You will be happy by thinking the thoughts that you are happy. Your thoughts will judge your nature, good or bad. You can become a good person by your thoughts which are good. You will become a bad person by your thoughts which are bad. Do not concentrate more on mundane things. Search for the bliss of mind which you get by devotion and meditation, through which you can attain the self-realization. Do not waste your time in getting materialistic things, but get the fruit of immortality by meditating so that you can reach the goal of immortality.